Hi guys, good morning. I'm Trina Searcy with Keller Williams, and today I'm going to virtually bring you a new listing that I have in Killearn Lakes. It's at 1777 Broken Bow Trail. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's so super cute. I want to show you this virtually. I'm working from my home office today, and I know some of you are as well. I was going to bring you in my living room, but my dog is actually on my sofa. So let me share my screen with you here. And sorry, you got to look at my, I thought I already had this one pulled up and it was right where I needed it to be. Here we go. So this is it, 1777 Broken Bow Trail. It's got a brick front and this little sweet little covered porch right here. It's so cute. Front yard looks great, and it backs up to sort of like a green space. Here's the front door and entryway, so it's wide enough for wheelchair access if need be. And then in here, this is your dining room. So when you walk in, your dining room's to the left. Here's your dining room. This is the front porch that it overlooks, and then here's your entryway to the kitchen. And here's your kitchen. So you've got a bar right here. So if you think about it, we're all in the space of working from home right now and homeschooling. So you can have one in the dining room, which is completely separate. Then you have a bar right here. You can have a couple more working from the bar. And then here is the living room. So there really is enough space for everyone to kind of work in their own space. Laundry room is in the kitchen, super convenient. She uses this as a pantry also. So it's convenient right to the dining room. This is what it looks like with the doors closed. Here's your living room. Overlooks the kitchen there. You've got vaulted ceilings and a wood burning fireplace. This door right here leads to the back patio. The seller is offering a flooring allowance. As you can see, all of the floors are pink carpet, which she knows is not the most desirable color of carpet right now. So she is willing to do a seller credit for the flooring. Here's your hall bath, one of the bedrooms, hall bath again. This is the master bath, master bedroom, walk-in closet. The interior has just been completely painted, so it's super clean. There's nothing hanging on the walls, easy for you to just go in and do what you want to with it. This is the screen porch, so you can see the rest of the house is vinyl. It has that brick front, and then you've got the screen porch back here. It's perfect for working outside right now. We've had great weather, except for last night we had a crazy tornado storm, but we've had great weather lately. Overlooks the backyard. And there you have it. That's it. It's 1777 Broken Bow Trail. It's almost 1,400 square feet. The list price on it right now is $212, which is a great entry-level price for Killearn Lakes. And I would love to help you with this property. If there's anything I can do to get you in or get you pre-qualified or start your home process, your home buying process, I'd love to help you. Reach out to me directly at 850-508-0134. Have a great day. Bye.